Hi friends, this is Mohammed Shakil here, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can create a simple box in Catia V5. So this is a part design workbench, and I'll go and select the sketch tool and then select any of the plane. So for example, I'll select the XY plane here, and once you click the XY plane, you get inside the XY plane, and now it's a 2D view. So here you have different tools with which you can play with. Now you need to select the coordinate, so I'll just go ahead and select the XY, this coordinate over here, and click on the origin, and now drag it so you get to insert the next point, so you can complete the rectangular creation. I'll just click on the other end and you get the rectangle here. Now the next thing is to apply the dimensions. So this is actually not constrained, so if you drag it and pull it off, it becomes smaller and bigger. So it's always better not to leave your dimensions, your sketches, without constraints. So just go ahead and constrain the sketch by clicking on any of the edge and dragging it outside and double clicking, and you can insert the dimension here. So for example, I'll just put a 90 over here, and if you need to create a square, then click over here and drag it out and click on 90, and you get the square here. So another thing which I want to point out is when you click the tool once, then you can dimension anything only once, and once you do that, it comes out of the sketch. So if you want to continuously do something on the tool, it's always recommended not to go back again to the tool and just clicking it again and again, and that's gonna waste your time. So what you could do is select the tool, double click the tool, and now if you do use that tool once, still the tool doesn't go out. So that's another tip which you can use. So I'll just come out of the sketch right now, and once you come out of the sketch, you can see all the different tools which are available on the sketcher, and you can use any of them. So some of the tools are not available. It's because those tools cannot be applied at this moment, because for example the pocket, the groove, hole, all those kind of tools require a solid object. So as the solid object is not there available in this, so you cannot use such kind of options here. So even at this particular point of time, you can use the shaft as well as the pad, whereas for the rib, again you need to create a guide curve, and again for a solid combine, again you need to create another sketch. Why the reason because this is shown is because once you click on that, then you have an option to create the next curve by clicking on this. So that's how all these tools are shown. So Catia V5 is designed in such a way, it shows the tool which could be used and at this moment there's no point in clicking on this because there's nothing available to create a pocket here at this moment. So let me just go ahead and show you how you can create a simple pad at this point. Just click on the pad and you get the option to insert the dimension. So you can insert a particular dimension here, maybe a 25, and once you click on the preview, you can see that dimension coming up. And you have different options like mirror extend, and that creates another pad on the other side. And if you don't want mirror extend, if you have a particular dimension to be given on the other side, you can always go for the second limit and specify the dimension there. So in this way you can create a simple box. So this demonstration was done so that the users who are looking for a small intro about how the Catia v5 works will get benefited. So that's all. All the detailed tutorials are available on part design, assembly, wireframe and surface design, generative shape design, DMU kinematics, infrastructure, catalog, editor. All the tutorials are available in my channel, so you can just go through it. And I hope you enjoyed this intro. I hope you'll be able to understand the scope of Catia v5 by watching this. So thank you so much, and if you like my video, please subscribe me for getting instant updates when the next tutorial comes. And that's all. Thank you. Stay tuned.